So hello everyone. Today we are basically starting a new course, that is AI Video Production Masterclass, which will be from script to screen, right? Like in this course, I will teach you from how to write a proper script to like particularly like from creating visuals, creating avatars, like doing lip sync. All these things will be included in this course, and till basically the final rendering video or the final rendered video we will achieve through this course. So let's begin with this curriculum discussion session of today's. So basically, I took a live session also of this curriculum discussion yesterday. Before like uploading this YouTube video for that particular topic, I take a live session on that topic so that you can ask me one-on-one if you have any questions regarding the course or anything. You can also join the community. The link will be provided in the description. Please join the community and attend the live classes more. As in the live classes, you can like if I'm teaching and you occur a question or you have a question, you can directly ask me, like basically, sir, I have a question, or bro, I have a question. Anything you can call me. Then I have a question. Can you please answer that? So you can ask me like that in live class sessions. So there basically on one-on-one on there only you can get your question can get solved. But if you are watching this on YouTube, that is also perfect. No worries. You can basically drop all your doubts in the comments, or if you have any suggestion for the course, you can drop your suggestions also in the comments. We will definitely work on those also. And this is absolutely free. There is no fees for this course, so don't worry. In live session also, to attend the live session, you just have to join the community. We just like, let me show you our community first. So this is our WhatsApp community, Use the AI Classes and Learning. This is our logo. The link will be provided in the description, so don't worry. You just have to click the link and you will be redirected to this page basically, and there you can join the community. And then you have to join these three groups. First one is the live session. Please join this group mandatorily, because the live sessions link, as our live sessions are being held on Google Meet, so we provide this Google Meet links. Like for yesterday also, as you can see, we are live at the Red All. So I provided a Google Meet link, and there people joined. So in this way only you have to like join the live classes community, and in Google Meet, in community only the link for the live classes will be posted, nowhere else. So for live sessions, if you want to attend live sessions and want to ask questions one-on-one, or basically suggest us, or basically tell us like how we can improve or come, I will say just try once in our live sessions. These things are absolutely free. Then this is one group for live sessions. Then second one is student showcase. Whatever things you prepare, like as you can see, people have shown like what are they doing. So they share what they have done with AI in this student showcase group. They basically share what they made using AI and everything. Like, let us download this. Let's wait whether it get downloaded or not. So there are many things like previous things which will take time to download, but people do share these things in this group. As if they make a video also they share. So that's using AI. Like you have made a project or you have done something using AI which you want to share or show the community, you can drop it here. Then is doubt corner. Any kind of doubt related to live sessions, YouTube, or you have regarding AI, or any news regarding AI that you want to clarify, you can post your doubt here. So here also students have asked doubts, as you can see. So basically there are three groups: live session, student showcase, doubt corner, and by default you will get joined to announcements whenever you join the community. So this is our Use the AI community, and for this course the classes will be held for live classes. You have to join on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at correctly 9 p.m. The links will be shared half an hour before the live session, that is by 8:30 p.m. We share the link. You can join the classes, or you can join the Google Meet using this community, and there you can basically priorly take this course one day before. As on YouTube, I post these videos after one day. So like suppose I took a live class on Wednesday, so on Thursday I will upload that topic's video on YouTube. So this is all about my community and live sessions. So this is your choice. No problem if you're attending on YouTube. No problem if you're attending on live session. Our suggestion is attend live session, or at least join the community, because we are making a community of people who are seriously taking AI, or who are interested in learning AI or growing with AI. So that's all for the community, and let's get back to our today's topic, that is curriculum discussion, which is for AI Video Production Masterclass Script to Screen course. So now what today's topic will include, that is why AI video, why now, exactly why now. Then is how this course works, like what you have to do for this course, how this course works. Then is the full curriculum, what are the modules included in this course, we will discuss. Then tools you will master, like after doing this course, which are the tools you will get mastered through, or which tools you can say like I have mastered this tool. Then is what you will be able to build, what are the outcomes of this. So these things we will discuss today. So now, why AI video? Why now exactly? So as you know, these like zero cameras or studios needed for AI video. As you know, cameras and like going to a specific spot and clicking those pictures are like expensive kind of thing, or time taking kind of thing. But using AI, or by using prompting and all, you can generate those things like in a seconds or in minutes, we can say. But you can generate those things like in a very low cost. In this course, I will try to keep all the tools, or I will use the tools in such a way that those tools are free. so that you don't have to pay anything to any type of platform. Then as the tools are expensive, so this course is helpful. Like if you don't have a professional camera or you don't have much time to record, so you can use this course to basically learn first how to make AI videos, and then use that information to explore or to generate content on your ideas. There is basically 9 tools, one repeatable pipeline. This course teaches you one repeatable pipeline for making different kind of videos. If you learn this one repeatable pipeline, you will know many tools for generating AI videos. This pipeline include a proper from scripting to rendering the video. It includes all the steps which are included for generating AI video, perfect generating AI videos or videos using AI. Then is you need only one laptop, which is sufficient for generating this. If you have a phone, that's also right. That's also there is no problem. But right now we are using Clipchamp as our editing tool. So for phone, we will try that also. On phone, we will suggest some apps for phones also. But if you have a laptop, that is also good. Then how this course works. Like if you want to join live sessions, so for that you have to join our WhatsApp community. Link will be provided in the description. Then pull up on Meet. Basically there I shown you you have to, let me show you again. So these kind of links will be given. So you have to just click on this link and get joined into a Google Meet session. For this course, the timing is from 9 p.m. End time I don't know. I will just start at 9 p.m. and it can go till 10 anytime. Like we don't have the end time scenario like here. So we just start from 9 p.m. This is the scenario, and we provide the link by 8:30 p.m. That is half an hour before the live session. Then it's catch up on YouTube. If any case you miss out the live session, you can catch up what happened in the previous session on YouTube. We basically re-record the videos properly for that particular topic and provide those on YouTube. So this is basically how this course works. Then is the full curriculum, like what exactly in this curriculum is. So first one is the course intro. I am giving that only, the course intro. Then second module will be on script writing with ChatGPT. We will be writing a proper script with ChatGPT. Here I am using ChatGPT. You can use any type of application. You can use Claude. You can use basically Perplexity, Gemini, any type of application. And then then the third module is voice cloning with ElevenLabs. Basically, I taught ElevenLabs in AI for Everyone session also, AI for Everyone course, which I basically just completed in I think in July. That course basically is a general course for a beginner who wants to shift his career into AI and wants to explore the applications of AI. So that course is perfect for you if you are a beginner and looking what exactly the offers in AI or what exactly the pathways in AI I have shown in that course. So then after that, voice cloning with ElevenLabs. Voice cloning means here basically there are two things in voice cloning. You have your own voice and you want to make your own clone voice, and you just give a proper dialogues, and those dialogues are being spoken in your own voice, but you are not speaking. This is known as cloning. So after that, after ElevenLabs, we will go to avatar creation. We will create some avatars that can be yours also if you are hesitate, we all hesitate from coming in front of camera and all. So we can create our own avatar using Flow by Google. I will teach you. Flow by Google I have also taught in AI for Everyone session. Then we will do the fifth module is avatar refinement. So basically adding green scene or about Canva. We will do some editing in the avatars using Canva. Then is lip sync automation or animation. Lip sync animation basically we will use a Dreamface app, which basically add or lip sync our dialogues with our avatar so that it looks natural. Then is visual scene generation by Flow by Google. So now the background visuals, how we will generate it, we will use Flow by Google, a platform powered by Google, which basically provides us models which generate videos. Then is editing and assembly. For editing, we will use Clipchamp by Microsoft. You can, if you know editing and you know already a software, you can use that. But for this course, we are using Clipchamp as it is a free tool. Then is captions and final rendering. Like AI captions, we can also get. I will show you that also in the using the Clipchamp. So this is our full curriculum. So I hope you understood the full curriculum. So next is now what are the tools we will master through this course. So we will master scripting using ChatGPT, then voice cloning using ElevenLabs, then avatar and scene creation by Flow by Google, then refinement of avatars by Canva, then we will do lip sync by Dreamface app, then we will edit and add captions or edit our videos using Clipchamp and make a proper final publish ready videos. Then is what you will walk away with. At the end, you will basically learn a complete repeatable pipeline for AI avatar videos, a clone voice plus custom AI avatar you build yourself, then one finished video script to scene by the final session, then a confidence to publish faceless content solo no cap. There can be faceless or you can add face using avatars method. So these all things you will achieve using this course. Now, basically, let's get started. So step one will be please join our WhatsApp community to attend live sessions, and then basically blog Wednesday, as this session basically held Wednesday, that is yesterday only. So for future, as day one is pending, day one will held on Friday. As I told you, our live sessions will go on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and respectively the next days will be the videos uploaded. Will the videos be uploaded for that particular session topic? So that's all for the curriculum discussion or for the agenda of today. So I hope you like this curriculum, and after this course, you will basically be able to generate or able to showcase your ideas using the method of AI videos to a greater audience. If you are hesitant to face the camera or something like that, or you don't know how to basically record something like that, so we will tell you these things in this full course. So that's all, and thank you for watching this first day, that is day 0 curriculum discussion session. And if you have any questions, drop them in the WhatsApp community or in the comment section, wherever you want. But I will suggest please join the community. So that's all, and thank you.